Welcome to the exhibition of Bharat Academy and Sciences, where learning comes alive through creativity, confidence and curiosity. Today you'll witness the efforts of our young learners as they express ideas beyond textbooks and showcase their talents across subjects. Let's begin this beautiful journey of learning together.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishan Mukherjee. My project is on 3D shapes. This is a cube. This is a cone. This is a cylinder. This is a cuboid. And this is a sphere. Thank you everyone.
What you just saw is a wonderful example of how our young students learn by doing. Every child brings a unique perspective, and this exhibition gives them a platform to express it with confidence and joy. Let's move on to our next presentation.
Hello everyone, I'm Lagnajita Senarai. This is my project on the sources of water.
Isn't it inspiring to see such enthusiasm and creativity? At Bharat Academy and Sciences, we believe that learning is not only about knowledge, but also about communication, teamwork and self-expression. Here's another glimpse of our students in action.
Hello everyone, I am Atika Tasneem. This is my noun project.
These young minds remind us that education is a blend of thinking, creativity and fun, whether it's academics, language, culture or physical activity. Every subject plays an important role in shaping a child's personality. Let's continue.
Hello everyone, I am Somik Saha. We are doing aids to trade, and here you can see the roads for transport, and there are modes of transport, and the buildings for this is bank, this is hospital, this is housings. Thank you.
Each performance and presentation reflects the hard work of our students and the guidance of our teachers. This exhibition is a celebration of effort, imagination and confidence. Please enjoy the next segment.
Hello everyone, I am Oishiki Mukherjee. I am doing a model on linear equation.
Our students have shown us that learning happens everywhere, through speaking, performing, explaining and exploring. These moments capture the spirit of holistic education at Bharat Academy and Sciences. Let's watch what comes next.
My name is Joydeep Dwari. My project on computer.
From academics to activities, from ideas to action, our children are growing into confident learners and expressive individuals. Here's the next presentation by our talented students.
Hello everyone, we are creating a globe theatre as a project for exhibition, which is the idea which is given by William Shakespeare.
Learning is not limited to one subject. It's a journey across ideas, cultures and creativity. Get ready to explore a world of knowledge at the exhibition of Bharat Academy and Sciences. On 22nd January, our school will come alive as students present inspiring stalls from science, mathematics, history, geography, languages and physical education. From innovative models and creative displays to cultural insights and active learning, this exhibition celebrates talent in every form. Discover how subjects connect, ideas grow and young minds shine beyond textbooks. Join us at Bharat Academy and Sciences to be part of a celebration of learning. Mark the date, 22nd January. Come, explore, learn and be inspired.